Hi, I'm Cara, and today I'm going to show you some ways to use Gemini in Google Sheets. So Gemini has started rolling out in Google Sheets and continues to add more and more features. Today, we're going to look at two features specifically: enhanced smart fill and chart generation. Let's dive in. All right, so here we are in Google Sheets. I have some campaign planning and campaign analysis data. And to start leveraging Gemini, I'm going to go up here to this Ask Gemini button. And you'll see there's two options. You can make it side or wide. I'm going to keep it in the wide view as I'm going to be using Gemini quite a bit in this demo. So the first thing we want to do is have Gemini help us complete filling out the sheet. You'll notice that these are tasks associated with the campaign launch, and they have to happen every week on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. What I want to do in this date column is fill in the specific dates that these need to happen. But instead of manually filling out every date for every week during the campaign, I'm simply going to ask Gemini if it can continue filling out the date column for me. So there we go. It has completely filled out this column E, dates, for me, with all the dates of the items on our launch checklist that they need to happen, following the pattern that I have laid out and saving me quite a bit of time. So now let's say the campaign is actually launched and I have some campaign analysis data. I'm going to go over here. You can see we have some performance data. I'm going to ask Gemini to create a chart so I can more easily understand this data. All right, so you can see it's created a chart giving me channel performance here, but I could choose to edit this or fine tune, ask for something more specific. I can also go ahead and copy this and easily put it in a presentation for other stakeholders to see how the campaign is performing. So there you have two features of Gemini and Google Sheets that you can use to help make campaign planning and analysis easier. We hope you give them a try.